We employ 14,000 people here in the UK. This is one of our relatively smaller facilities, but the perception that people have is maybe that we're not as big as that in terms of manufacturing. And as a manufacturer in the UK, we understand the issues around productivity, agility, efficiency, all these great things that we need to achieve better, and the skills required to achieve that going forward. And we support all of those types of initiatives to make sure we've got the right skill set for today and for the future.
There were some really great examples from Siemens Congleton about how they've got teams just dedicated to think out how the factories need to perform and the value proposition for all of the automation or digitisation that they have to put in, but also how that has to interact with the human employees that they still have.
The culture of the staff and people working in the shop floor on a day-to-day basis has been one of the big shifts that we've made, of people understanding that this is there to help them and make us more efficient and make better, rather than get in the way of them trying to do a job.
I think what I saw today at Congleton, which was very interesting, was actually the upskilling of staff and giving them robotic skills. Originally there were 0 people that could actually program a robot at the site 18 months ago. Now there's 4, and there's even more people going to do that in the future.
The culture here with the continuous improvement, with some really great vision and leadership to really push those ideas and improvements through. So it's not just random continuous improvements, it's actually with a vision to be competitive but also to take advantage of technology.